and one, you are my midday moon, and I your midnight sun. Wolf and one, our journey's at an end, but life has just begun. When first we met, I thought that what I felt could not be true. But through the sharing of our hearts, there now is one where there was two. Left to right, the meeting of the darkened day and dawning night. Drum to tune, the joining of the shining sun and silver moon. I knew the risk I took when down beside you I had laid, and lo, the breath of two new lives was well worth the price I paid. Wolf and one, come dance with me and gaze back at what we have done. Wolf and one, we've sewn the threads by which the future shall be spun.